Are you looking to enhance your videos like this? See how color grading can bring cinematic touch to our videos. All these look so professional after using color grading and color correction. Do you want to bring the cinematic touch to your videos and wanna know how to do it? Well then, this video is exactly for you. Simply watch this step-by-step video editing tutorial, and by the end of this video, you will also be able to make professional videos with cinematic touch. Hey folks, myself from Filmora Originals back with another video editing tutorial, and today I wanna show you all how to use color grading to bring cinematic touch to your videos using all new AI powered loads. False learning color grading can be time consuming and expensive with professional video editors, but today in this video I will show you all how you can easily color grade your videos like professional even if you are a beginner using the best video editing software that offers latest Hollywood film loads, professional camera loads, daily photography style loads and much more. And the video editing software that I am talking about is Wondershare Filmora. First, Wondershare Filmora comes with 100 plus top quality 3D loads which gives our video cinematic touch and make them look professional. Not only we can use built-in loads but can also import and use 3D loads color projects. The best part, we can also adjust load strength so we can fine-tune visual effects as per our choice. Here are some of the best Filmora loads that can help to enhance video with cinematic effects like Mad Maxim, Joker, Dark Film, 007 series, Magical World, Monster Futurism, Golden Moments, Insta Mode, Casual Candid, Solar Glow and many more. Not only this, Wondershare Filmora 13 brings AI powered tool for advanced color correction and color grading. Wow, that's simply amazing. Let's give it a try, and for that free download Wondershare Filmora by following the links in description and pin comment. First, once you have installed Wondershare Filmora on your PC, let's get started to know how to use Filmora loads and effects for color grading. Now we can simply import the footage we want to edit, or can also use Filmora built-in library to get stock videos and photos. Once we have imported our video, simply double click on it and then move to Colors tab. Here in preset, we get the option load. In load preset, we can simply select any of the load effects, but before that, let me show you all the footage. See how it looks like without load effect. Now let's select a load effect from this drop down menu. Here we have so many load effects from Hollywood film loads like Harry Potter, Mission Impossible and others like B&W Film, Wheel of 709 Style, S-Log 709 and much more. The best part, we can directly preview them while moving along different Filmora load effects. Let's add this S-Log 709 style load and see how it changes our clip altogether. Our video gets a cinematic touch. See, is not this amazing? Well, not only we can add predefined effects, but we can also manage them like effects strength. We can lower the strength of load effect on our clip to the best we want, and we can see the difference instantly. Now what if you want to protect skin tone and don't want change on character's skin but only on background? Well, for that we can simply adjust the slider. See, the character's face and hands are protected from effect. We can also adjust auto white balance like temperature. We can also adjust tint, vibrance and saturation. That's not it. We can also adjust light with exposure. Simply move the slider. Can also adjust brightness, contrast, adjust shadow, white balance and black color balance in the clip. There are so many adjustments that we can do on our video, and all this will make our video stand out. Now first, what if we don't want to do all these adjustments again and again in different projects? Well, first, for that we can simply save this preset. Well, for that simply click on save this as custom button. Now give it a name and then click OK. Now this will save our custom load effect that we can use later in any other projects as well. Well, not only this, we can also import third-party load to Filmora as well. So now let's know how to import loads in Filmora, and for that simply click on add. It opens Windows file picker. Now see, here we have so many more loads that we can use in our video. There are Hollywood film loads like Batman, Cyberpunk 1 and Cyberpunk 2, Game of Thrones, House of Cards, Star Wars and many more. We can simply select one and then click open to import them. Once imported, the load effect will be applied to our video. See, our video is so enhanced and look awesome. Well folks, not only these, there are many more color grading loads in filters also. Let's check those out. And for that, simply click on filters. Now see, here we have different categories of filters that we can use in our videos. Like these cinematic filters, Nuclear Manhattan, Joker, Border Desert, Black and White Horror, Sand Dune, Monster Futurism, Mad Maxim, Stranger Dawn and many more Hollywood film style filters also. Now let's apply some of these to our video and see the result. Let's try this Nuclear Manhattan filter. Once selected, it will show a preview. See how it changes our video. Looks simply amazing. Now simply drag and drop the effect to clip and it will be added to the complete video footage. Same way we can try other filters also. Let's try this Monster Futurism filter. Wow! That's simply insane. Our video looks so cool with this filter. Well folks, not only we can apply filter to complete video but can also apply them to a specific part as well. And for that, let's drag and drop this Black and White Horror filter to another layer on the timeline and we can also adjust effect duration on our video as well. Let's preview it. Now from here we can also add another filter effect, adding this Cyberpunk realm effect, and now you can see the difference it makes to our video. For same way you can add as many as filter effects to your video. See how this Joker effect filter is giving a different vibe to our video. First, there are so many effects and filters to explore, and trust me, each of them give different effects to your video. So first, no matter who you are, a vlogger, filmmaker, video editor, or even if you're a beginner, you can use Wondershare Filmora Luts for color grading and enhance your videos, giving them professional and cinematic touch. Not only this, with all new Filmora AI video editing tools like AI copilot editing, AI thumbnail creator, AI text to video, AI smart cutout, AI smart masking, and many more offer unlimited opportunities to get started with content creation. Also, there are some of the best Filmora AI audio tools like AI music generator, AI vocal remover, text to speech, speech to text, AI audio stretch, and AI audio denoise. That's not it. Filmora AI also comes with some of the best AI effects and resources like AI portrait, AI painting, and AI animated titles. First, you can also join Filmora Visual event and use all new Filmora AI powered loads for free. And first, this will be for limited time only. You also get the opportunity to win Fujifilm for free. So what are you waiting for? Simply find the links in description and pin comment to try out Wondershare Filmora 13 now. That's what I had for today. Hope you liked the video and got value. Let me know by smashing that like button. Also, share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Develop Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Are you looking to get started being a content creator and make videos for YouTube? Well then, this video is exactly for you. Are you looking to record computer screen on Windows 10 or Windows 11? If yes, then this video is exactly for you.